Months ago, I decided to jump back into the Amazon influencing program, and I wanted to share that. And instead of teaching around it, I wanted to share my experience and what's been happening. Months ago, I decided for anyone new here, I'm Nana. Nana knows best, also Leanna. And this channel is for anyone that's over 50 who is trying to understand and learn AI, understand income online, or other things that you might be facing in this chapter of our life. It is one honest step at a time, and I'm just here to share. So, with the Amazon influencing program, I wanted to share this is my community on school, which I am trying to help people see the AIP of all those years I've been with Amazon and coaching and selling on Amazon. When I was coaching, I had students that wanted to know how to do Amazon influencing program. So I started it and started mine almost 2 years ago, but I never really focused it. So I went through the process, and I'm going to discuss some of the processes and how you can, the good, the bad, but start with the understanding of really truly what that is and how to expect and what is given things that I'm sharing. So I taught them, but the first thing I wanted to share is for those that don't know about the program. What's the difference of what it means and how that program works? It's called Amazon Influencer Program. I talk about influence. You don't have to be a big influencer. You don't have to be the one with thousands or millions, but there's a difference. There is Amazon Associate versus influencer. And I think it's important to know. So before we get into actual steps, it's important to understand that the Amazon Associate program is different. So the Associate is a basic affiliate program. That is literally anyone can join. And you earn a small commission by sharing referral links on a blog, website, or social media. When someone clicks your link and makes a purchase, you get paid. Simple enough. The downside is that you only earn from link clicks that convert, and you don't get any visibility on Amazon's platform itself. No on-site videos, no product page presence. It's just an associate. So if you own a blog, you'd have an Amazon banner, or you could purchase this book on Amazon, share the link, and you could get any of those people that are buying Amazon anyway. They use your link, you could get paid. Okay, so that's the associates. Then there's the Amazon Influencer Program, and this is an upgraded version of associates. Sorry, I've had a weird voice, but I'm still going to record. And where the real earning potential kicks in my opinion, with a caveat, but I'll explain. Okay. If you're approved, you can upload shoppable videos that show up directly on Amazon product pages. That means your content is placed right in front of shoppers who are all ready to buy. More exposure, more traffic, more commissions, you would think, but we're going to talk about that. The key is this shoppable videos. That is creating content. That's why I like to learn and do how to do it. A lot of times you could follow me, you could find me on Facebook, you could follow me on YouTube here, and I'm going to be sharing those. You can see some of those videos that are on my YouTube if you wanted to learn. Okay. So, and once you can start posting reviews and with additional level of approval, you'll go into that later. So you could apply for the Amazon influencing program, but it won't be on-site commission and other perks until you get approved. And that is the process that you need to be able to understand on how to get approved. Okay. So then there is first step. Okay. And this is one that I'm going to go first step and second step. And if you want to follow me, hit subscribe, and you can follow me where I share more other ways to get approved, but how to approve in coming videos. Okay. So pick one platform to get in. So you have to have a social media platform. And it used to be where you have to have at least 2,000 followers to get in the influence, quote, influencer. Okay. But there are ways that is more all about engagement. And if you have Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, Facebook, and you have a group in any of those, or you have following, you could use that platform to apply. Okay. So I would just pick one and use that as your application. But you can use other, all of those as a way to make money and promote associate and off traffic, but this is for on-site. This is being able to post those videos on product pages. And I'm going to show that what that looks like. You want real reviews, so you don't have to have a huge following. You just need engagement, like I said. You need real views, real interaction, and consistent posting. So also, you want to clean up your profile before applying. This matters more than people think. Make sure your account has a clear niche. When I'm going to talk about niche, I'm going to share things. So once again, if you want to, you could follow my videos and walk through the process, okay? And in the description, there'll be links for those kind of videos if it will help, and also where to join school and other things to follow me. So if you're interested, okay? Looks active, like recent posts. If you could go to Facebook, I'm going to show, we can go to Facebook and you can see if there's recent posts. Has a real profile photo and bio. Shows you recommend or talk about products, meaning you want to say, hey, this Stanley is awesome. It keeps things cold. Here, the ice, you want to be recommending product, or come in and say, Stanley is so good, right? Example niches that convert well is home organization, cooking and kitchen, kids, grandkids, Amazon finds, budget deals. Post this type of content first, and then you can apply. Have 10 or 15 posts that are talking on camera like I am, showing products, giving opinions, use this, don't buy this, short and helpful. Amazon is checking, are you a real influencer that you actually share, and that do people respond to you, okay? So you want that before you even apply, because then you have to apply, okay? Then your next step is to receive approval to have on-site. That means being able to be on a product page. You can sit there and share all you want on other platforms and use associate links and be an influencer. And the thing is, with the Amazon influencer, you'll have a store so you can upload your videos, etc. But you won't get on-site commission, supposedly, which is the more commission and seen more, okay? So you submit your application strategically. Once your foundation is solid, submit for an Amazon Influencer Program application through the actual portal, okay? During the review, Amazon evaluates 2 critical questions. Are you an influencer? And do you have people that respond to you? Ensure your metrics or your analytics. You have to have a business account. You have to have a dashboard. You have to have a business account on most of those. And it's not so much that you have to have a, quote, official business, but you get different opportunities if you have those on your social media, okay? Here's where the process becomes more nuanced. Initial approval to the Amazon Influencer Program allows you to start posting product reviews. However, earning on-site commission requires additional level of approval behind the initial program acceptance. This additional approval layer determines whether your videos are generated commissions from on-site traffic. meaning when shoppers discover and purchase through your videos while browsing Amazon pages. And I'm going to show those before to see what I'm talking about. This represents a significant advantage over the associate program. Associate is if you have a following, and if you have a following off Amazon, have those followers buy products, you'll make money. This is already using the traffic Amazon has on these listings and getting money for those projects. Success in the program follows a clear progression: building engagement on one platform, optimize your profile, content before applying, gain initial program approval, and then work towards the additional approval needed for on-site commission, where the real revenue potential lies. And for an older content creator, that makes a big difference. Doesn't mean it's thousands and thousands of dollars. No, this is a long-term game. It truly is. Okay. And I had some goals when I started. Okay. So I started over 2.5 years ago. I had some few, I think I probably had 4, 5 videos that I got uploaded for approval. I approved on the first try, and even on site. So I was so excited. Never really focused on it. 2.5 years, I did a few videos to show my students. So by the end of 2025, I had 17 videos of reviews. And I started to see a little bit of money being deposited. I'm going, what is this? So I went on and said, oh, this is the influencer program. Went in, jumped in another community I'm in. I'm going, you know what? Because of my life changes, if you're following my story, you could go watch my story of how things changed. And I'm going to share over time. So once again, subscribe if you want to hear my story. So I said, I'm going to jump in and see what changes are. They're being more focused. There's people making thousands of dollars a month on this program. I'm going to jump in as a way that I wanted to focus. Okay. So a lot of questions came in this community that I had. So I was invited to a webinar in my Legends community. And so I decided to focus on it and be prepared for it. Okay. So I actually technically started on February 27th, 2026. And I had goals and I had wondering, okay, what am I going to do? So something clicked for me. And I'm going to go over some of the things that clicked for me and go into an Amazon influencing program. But I'm very transparent. So by the end of April, I wanted 200 videos posted. Mind you, I had 17. I wanted to jump to 200. Why? Because I knew selling on Amazon. Because just like that, threshold matters. How many videos you have and how consistency matters and how showing up matters. So I did that, and I was happy to say I met that goal on March 29th. So just a little over a month. Okay. Not perfect. Not any fancy edits. I mean, it was crazy. And not with everything figured out. That's my big key. Just one video at a time. If you've been hearing about it, if you're curious, I wanted to share how that worked. Because once that started, I was in the momentum. And this is how it grew. Okay. I validate on my storefront for Amazon influencing 207 posts. I reached that goal. I was thrilled that I reached that goal, and I was happy I reached that goal. I continue to focus. Now, I've only added a few more. This, as time of this recording, is in July. I wanted to see how much consistency mattered, how much threshold matters, and certain things. Interesting enough, the month that I started, which was March into April, the Amazon Influencing Program made some changes. Seems to be that's my life lately is Amazon changes. But here's what I'm going to leave you with, and watch the next video because I'm going to share what I did. But I wanted to, before I signed off, I'm going to share what Amazon influencing videos look like. So if you go to Amazon and you watch a product being sold, so let's say this, let's just do this one, okay? And you see that product and you want to see that product, they have videos here, okay? So they have videos on here. This is from the brand itself, and these are your reviews. And some have reviews, some don't, but this is an Amazon influencing reviews. So if I buy this after I watch this video, this influencer is going to make some money. She's going to get a commission. This here, I can click on this and you can see this is her influencing page. So this is her videos influencing page. So she has her own page and her own trending. And she has books, clothes, vitamins, kitchen must have, fitness, and mom essentials. So this is her page. You could follow her, you could share, you go and see her YouTube channel and see what she's sharing on her YouTube channel. So that it's just an avenue that I truly believe is a way that you can make some money at any age. So follow me for the next step on all these how-tos, and I'm going to share it. I'm an open book, or you can go back and join all my links, follow me, and see if this resonates where you can see the power of just having your phone and making money on your phone. It's that simple. I look forward to sharing more. Hit subscribe, and I'll see you on the next video. Once again, thank you for being here, and I hope that you will find and see the power that you have in the Amazon Influencing Program as a possibility. So, just helped a little. That makes my week. If you see that this is something that you want to learn and learn more, hit subscribe, follow, linked all the other videos or other places to follow and see what I have to share. And I look forward to continue on this journey.